Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Dutch Guy's Garage. Today we're going to be tackling upper window seals in a 1978 Plymouth Volare coupe. I ordered this product off Rock Auto. Same thing you can find on eBay or a lot of other places. It's all made by the same company. I like using Rock Auto when I can. You always can use a discount code and get stuff cheaper than, why pay full price when you don't have to? I've used these products before and had really good luck. So let's get at it. One of the main things you want to pay attention to, we got our seal all laid out here. These will have these little pins in them that go along the bottom of the door over here. As you can see, this is what's left of our original seal. Half of it it's missing. So, but the part you need to pay attention to is down here. And that little area down there will all have all those push pins. You're going to have to make sure you have all those holes and all those push pins to line up, or else the seal's not going to sit right. Alright, we got our old window seal out. Now we're at install. A couple tools you're going to need. Flathead screwdriver. Don't need a huge one. Don't go crazy with it. Poke holes in your stuff and you'll be back to square one. Then a tube of window adhesive. Don't need a huge tube. Don't have to use the whole thing. Mainly what I do is take the corner where it goes in, put a little bit up here because it likes to pull out sometimes, and don't clog your drain hole because you're going to need that. And then I always do the bottoms on both sides. There's a fastener in there. It kind of keeps it in place, but this is just added protection so the door seal stays where it's got to go and it gets a nice firm seal to it. So besides that, let's get to our install and get after it. Well, we got our window seal all in. Really happy with the product. Fit really great. Everything went together real well. Holes are all where they're supposed to be. Fitment was really great. The only place was back here. When I rolled the window up, it wasn't quite tight to the car, as tight as it should be. So I'll inject it a little bit from the back, built the seal up, and to get it quite perfect. Aftermarket part, so you really can't be too picky. For as oddball of a car as this is, just got to be happy they make it. So, but pretty much all coupe seals, they go just like that. So it's pretty universal product. Yeah, the only other thing I had to do was the machine screw in the back here. That hole I showed you earlier. The hole was a little bit wallered out from time, so I had to put a little bit larger screw in there. That's where the bolt bucket comes in handy. I'm always a big fan of keeping all bolts and fasteners. When you go to the junkyard, you tear something apart, just keep all that stuff and throw it in a bucket. You might not use it today, you might not use it tomorrow, but having that right handy instead of having to make a trip to the hardware store, or if it's 11 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the morning, no place is open and you got to shut down because you're short a screw or a bolt that you don't have. And so yeah, save everything you can. Try not to throw stuff away. And but yeah, besides that, I was real happy with everything. Everything turned out great. And yeah, the wife will be happy. She ain't getting no rain on no more, and she'll be able to throw it around the track and no matter the weather. So stay tuned this weekend. We're gonna have a couple more videos coming your guys' way. We're in about 5 inches of snow, so I'll have to do a little bit of plowing. But I'll get back out to the garage. We'll get some more stuff done, and I'll send some more videos for you guys. So, as always, hit that notification bell and like and subscribe if you feel like it. Y'all have a good day.